Realme is launching the latest Narzo 70 series with the addition of a Pro variant in the market that has been circulating on the internet, with its futuristic features making it very appealing to users. There is a claim that Realme's Narzo 70 Pro is the first camera phone in the world to feature a Sony IMX890 OIS camera system that has sensors measuring 50MP, 8MP, and 2MP. It also offers a 16MP selfie snapper on the front. Your new Realme Narzo 70 is an enormous 6.67-inch AMOLED capacitive touchscreen that supports the HD resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels with some extra features such as HDR10+, a 120Hz refresh rate, and 950 nits peak brightness. Realme Narzo 70 Pro is expected to arrive with one of the best and fastest Dimensity 7050 chipsets and a 2.6 GHz octa-core CPU, delivering an unmatched experience. With the support of 8 GB of RAM, plus 8 GB of extended RAM, you can easily perform multiple operations at once without any errors or lags. There is no need to charge the future's Narzo 70 Pro repeatedly because it comes with a large 5000 mAh battery pack that is capable of lasting up to an entire day on just a single charge, and its fast charger of 67W can charge it in less than 1 hour. With the launch of the Narzo 70 Pro by Realme, fierce competition in the market is going to be held, and that is why the other brands, as well as Samsung, should prepare themselves to survive in this tough market. Processor. CPU. Octa-core, 2x2.6 GHz Cortex-A78 plus 6x2.0 GHz Cortex-A55. Chipset. MediaTek Dimensity 7050, 6 nm. GPU. Mali G68MC4. Display. Technology. AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, multi-touch. Size. 6.67 inches. Resolution. 1080